Definitely the law will dictate where it is planted so that we don't actually waste the monies we have wasted. Look at the super highways today. Look at those small pockets of plastic enclosures which they put in sunflowers. They're all dry. What is wrong with regulating this plant and putting proper mechanism, properly regulated, so that we can have it grow under an eye? We have a lot of security operators, agricultural officers, going back to the first Kenyatta era, where we can have it properly managed, planted, so that we can put money in the pocket every hour instead of smoking. We are not advocating for smoking. I am not in for smoking, and that's the myopic that the church leaders have taken advantage. The few ones who are more sinners than Jesus himself, who have the audacity to speak for the country because they think they're holier than thou. They think they're nearer the Pope, who is nearer to God. We are saying no to them also, and we are telling them that when Kenyans grow this thing, and get enough money, they'll be able to build their own churches, because relationship with God is an individualistic approach where you take your Bible and pray straight to God, rather than having a man who is going to mislead your children, and make you go to hell if hell is there. Spiritual values have also to be taken seriously, whereby you have to come in as an individual relationship with God, having solidarity with morality in terms defined by the spiritual acclaim. Remember that even Moses himself, when he was in the wilderness, he used hemp. Israel has legalized hemp. It has never outlawed hemp at all for medicinal and armaments manufacturing, industrial purposes. So we are not in for this cheap politics of the church. Cheap politics of those people who wear suits every morning, drive Mercedes-Benz to work, have children sterilized, have children taken to big schools. I'm not saying I'm opposed to that. Who think they have more manners than those poor children in Madare who walk to school, than those poor children in Mumias who go to school barefoot with jiggers in their feet, being told this is wrong, this is wrong. We need those kids on the streets also to feel good when there's enough money that can make them also wear shoes, be taken to schools, be given books, be given affordable health care, and be taken care of, because the state has a responsibility. But we cannot come to class society whereby you are determined by who you are, by what you do, and what you wear, and what you eat. That is the philosophy that Roots Party is against. We need that equality, and equality only comes in when everybody is happy, when there's enough money to put in the pocket, when there is enough money to make somebody conscious enough to remember to thank God, like what Americans do on the Thanksgiving, but not where there is class war, where somebody has a suit, demonstrates that foolishness in church every Sunday without telling people exactly how to go to heaven. And you milk them. You milk people, you let them dry, you let them die in the name of religion. We are against that. We are not condemning religion, but we want people to worship having solidarity with morality, not solidarity with immorality. Thank you.